What is karma? Karma is not a metaphysical term, although it is used in the metaphysical context within religion, but it is a secular psychological concept. Karma simply means thoughts. Your thoughts define your karma. And here, someone has bad money karma. What happens? All the thoughts will be scarcity thoughts, or most of them will be scarcity thoughts. Occasionally, there will be some prosperity thoughts, but they are not very powerful thoughts. So, if you change your thoughts, you change your life. It's simple. It's very, very simple. But then it is not simple to change your thoughts, because again and again you will come back to this, because it is deeply rooted in your soul, in your mind, and in your body. So all of them have to be removed. Only when you do deep cleaning, you cannot succeed. And it is easy to do this. And if you don't do this, although it is part of your karma, but you simply cannot, put the responsibility on your karma and then escape from the responsibility. Because even in karma, in the philosophy of karma, or the theory of karma, or the psychology of karma, there is a free will. You have a free will to do this or do something else. Now I have exercised this free will to come in front of the camera and do this program for you, because this is an obligation that I have towards the world, that I incarnated on this world just to teach prosperity things, techniques to people who are in need. Now, so I have exercised my right and by using my willpower. That's why I'm here. I want you to exercise your own willpower. Enough is enough. I don't want to have this scarcity business anymore in my life. And I am not a victim forever. I had been one up until now. That doesn't mean I should continue with that. Take responsibility. You have to take responsibility right from this moment. Shreem Brzee. Brzee.